Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have some cleaning hacks for you guys. Some of them you may know, some of you may not know, and I just want to share this with you guys. So stay tuned and let's get to it. All right, guys, you remember when I did my baseboards? I told you guys I was so tired after doing that. So I got on Pinterest to see if I could find an easier way to clean my baseboards. And I found so many other good ideas on top of finding that little trick. I found so many ideas that I could share with you guys with using everyday products that are in your house. So the first hack that I found is shaving cream. You can use shaving cream to clean your sinks and it will get all those water stains up off your sink. You guys, I couldn't believe it myself and I was like, shaving cream? So of course I stole some of my husband's shaving cream and I went to town, and you guys stay tuned because you're not going to believe how this turns out. I did let the shaving cream sit for a couple minutes, I think it was like 5 minutes, to let it do its work, and it did exactly that. You guys, look at the shine. I mean, there's nothing else I can say, but this cleaning hack worked wonders. Guys, the next hack I found is, look at all those fingerprints on my refrigerator. If you have a stainless steel refrigerator, you know what I'm talking about. I usually use just soap and water to wipe it off. I found that you can still use the soap and water. The only thing is it doesn't leave a shine like I like it, and I can't stand the smell of those stainless steel wipes. But after you actually wipe it down with soap and water, you can use coconut oil. And of course, it smells good after wiping it down. So I am so excited that I found this little hack, and it works wonders. When you're using the coconut oil, make sure you're going in the same direction as your grain on the refrigerator. That way you won't see any smudges. But look at the shine on here. I mean, this stuff just speaks for itself, you guys. Guys, the next hack I have is vinegar and carpet odor eliminator, the stuff we put on the floor before we vacuum. If you are my age, you guys already know this is some old school type stuff, and the vinegar is a given, but I never knew about the carpet eliminator. I was shocked, but I use this, and you guys, I have used this stuff even since making these videos because it works. And it just made the bathroom smell fresh. And I love the smell of how it feels after you vacuum. So it just makes my bathroom smell like that. I just love it. And even after you get done, just add a little bit and it will just make it even better. Okay guys, the next hack is the water stains and the toothpaste little splatters that's on your mirror in the bathroom. Hydrogen peroxide. I have never thought to use hydrogen peroxide to clean my mirrors, but it's a natural way and it literally gets those stains off your mirror really fast. So just watch this. There you go, clean as a whistle. I love it. Next hack is those little washing beads that you put in the washer to make your clothes smell fresh. Watch what I'm about to do. You guys, this is a natural Febreze, and no joke, I have not even bought any more Febreze. I have been using this because I love the way this smells, and you can use any of those washing beads and make your house smell like that. I don't know about you guys, but after I wash clothes and I put all that smell good stuff in there, I just love the way the laundry room is smelling. So you just use some hot water, put a cap full of those beads in the bottle, shake it up, and you guys, I sprayed everything. Just, oh, I love it. Guys, I saved the best for last. This is my favorite hack that I found on Pinterest. You can use Downy to actually clean your baseboards. And not only will it clean it, it's the static part about it. It will keep the dust from coming onto your baseboards. I could not believe that I did not find this before I did my own baseboards. You guys know how tired I was, but just get some hot water, get a cup full of the Downy softener, and get you a broom. Use a clean towel and put it over the broom, and you don't even have to bend down to do it. I did all that work for nothing, guys. So just use this broom and you sweep your baseboards, and it gives you two effects, and I love it. So stay tuned and watch how I put this microfiber towel on my broom. guys, look at this. I'm not on my hands and knees cleaning baseboards. This is such a easy, quick way to do your baseboards. It's a dust repellent and it makes your house smell wonderful. You guys know how those fabric softeners be smelling. So I know you guys are gonna love this little tip that I gave you guys. And I'm so happy that you guys clicked on my channel. Hopefully you guys loved everything in the video. And until the next time, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.